My name is Ellen Rill. I'm a transfer driver and I've been here 4.5 years. The freedom that they give us to do, they give us assignments, but they just let us do what we need to do to get it done. I go to Weimar, Yoakum, Georgetown, San Antonio. I usually drive 400 or 500 miles a day. Well, my morning starts about 3:30, 4 o'clock, and I usually do 3 or 4 transfer runs, which is I'm either leave here and I go to Weimar, and I'll come back and I'll go to the landfill and get on the tipper, and we dump the trash and I bring it back down, and then I'll go where I need to go next, which is one of the 4 places that we go to where our transfer stations are, and that evens out usually 400 or 500 miles a day. It's just something that I always wanted to do, so I mastered it and started doing it for a job.